If I had $1 for every Corvette at this event, I would have a Corvette. So this is the night before the canceled Woodward Dream Cruise, and it looks like everyone who planned to drive on Woodward is here tonight to celebrate a little bit, and then I'm assuming there's going to be a lot more tomorrow. Really, nothing's changing this year, it's just large events that are happening. A lot of people that don't live down here, they don't realize that the Dream Cruise is just an excuse for everyone to come out on one day. Any weekend on Woodward is really quite similar to this. All classic cars, hot rods, everyone comes out. Just goes up and down the road. Got an SRT Grand Cherokee rolling up behind us. You can see him. Not more than 20 minutes ago, I was on Woodward going to the grocery store, and it was nothing like this. And now 20 minutes later, it's just bumper to bumper. That's how many people are coming out tonight. It's crazy. I don't know if you could see that, but that was Joe. He's got the M715 with the V10. Looks like he had a girl in the passenger seat. Pretty cool. Good for you, Joe. Awesome Jeep. If you want to see more about that Jeep, there is a YouTube video on the Gone Jeepin' YouTube page where I do a walk around and he explains how he built it and some of his challenges, and you get a really good look at that V10 under the hood too. It's very cool. Off to our right is a red M715, 715, look at that, military Jeep truck, Kaiser era. Very cool, beautiful. He agrees. Park next to the Ferrari so he knows I can't door ding him. The buggy. Look at those lines. Look at this Mini. Come on, Mini. Here he goes.
Oh, sick. It's got the drive, too.
Smarter for PM? What? Oh, Prime Minister.
Prime Minister.
Prime Minister. Not this country. Yes. Love the patina on it. Very cool. Red rims.
My car has a similar paint job.
Skrillex. That's turning into a classic song. Gotcha.
This sounds like my printer's melting, but I love it.
Yes. Oh, this bug with the luggage. It's so cool. Luggage bug. Luggage bug.
Where are they going? Ooh.
If I had $1 for every Corvette at this event, I would have a Corvette.
What's my favorite game? McLaren or new Corvette? I think it's a new Corvette.
It's McLaren.
New Corvette.
It's McLaren, followed by new Corvette.
Okay.
Also, this Buick, though, that's... Yep. Those are cool. All right, here we go. McLaren,
That was crazy.
new Corvette. Yeah, there are quite a few similarities. The sides are like, the Corvette's like the reverse of the McLaren.
Yeah.
But the back end of the McLaren is so hard to beat. Look at that back end. Oh. Oh, wait. Wait, there she is. Wagoneer. No, not the JL. He just covered it.
Oh, it's got QQ plates. He's from Jersey. Yep.
Wait for it. There he is. Wagoneer. Yes. It's not Wednesday, but if it was, I'd say it's Waggy Wednesday. That was a dumb thing to say. Look at him go. How cool. There's a Wrangler. Look at that. Come back. Come back. Oh, it's so pretty.
Take your top off.
Right? Oh, look, a Focus. My favorite car. There's a Focus for sale, by the way, on Facebook Marketplace. I'm selling it, and it's got all kinds of issues. You should buy it for a lot of money. That is all. Look at this guy. Look at his hood. He's probably got a 4-cylinder. Just kidding. Probably not. Big bike with old-timey tractor wheels. Yeah, there he goes. Yeah. All right.
Unreal.
Oh, yes. That's how I'm going out.
Fast.
And there you go.
Huh.
If you haven't seen it all, just wait. You will. Yeah. This must be the local watering hole. All of the hottest cars are coming here to fill up for gas and hang out. So this is the most challenging part of the Dream Cruise, when everyone tries to leave. This is going to be very interesting. We're going to get off of Woodward as fast as we can.